The ownership of the Island Waterpark was encouraged by their architect team to take a look at a product to resurface the concrete inside the water park itself. After some consideration, they evaluated the Epic Water Park facility here in Grand Prairie, Texas, that ATD Concrete Coatings actually did the SUNDEK application on. They flew down here, they took a look at it, saw it in action. After they saw it, they knew SUNDEK was the solution for them. Ray Sarasoli with our SUNDEK commercial contracting team did the initial discovery call with the Island Waterpark design team, ownership, architect group, etc. In doing so, she was able to uncover and unveil the design intent that they were kind of going for, their overarching vision as a whole.
This was not an easy project. We were given 12 days to complete this project. It took 14 due to design changes. It was critical to have this project open for Memorial Day. We put down 4 systems here. We put down the classic texture at the adult pool. We did Tuscan stone pattern in multiple colors throughout the park. We did a Tuscan wood plank, so important to the owner because he wanted to mimic the design of the Atlantic City Boardwalk, which I think the guys just nailed. This project was completed in 14 days, 78,000 square feet with 32 men.
It took 2 years in the making to get everybody to collaborate together, to go over design intents, to go over samples and plans and figure out what can go where. But it finally took shape between the Island Waterpark team, Ray Sarasoli, and Bob Miller. It was a knockout.
I think the project turned out phenomenal. These type of things that SUNDEK do, really only SUNDEK people can do. Dedication to the project and professionalism. And the artistic ability is just incredible. You'll see the results. I want to thank you for viewing the SUNDEK Showboat project.